Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. Well, this is definitely not new. Well, I guess it is new, but it's the same foundation. If you haven't seen my other two videos, definitely check those out. But yeah, we're about to change this into a different style. I'm pretty excited. Don't know what style yet, but yeah, we will definitely see. This is how to not take clip-ins out of your hair. So don't do it this way. Do it the right way. Because I am definitely not caring. Oh, GG. Y'all can tell it's late. It is literally 2 o'clock in the freaking morning. I'm exhausted, but work has to be done. Work has to be done. Okay, so I'm thinking of like a braided front with like Bantu knots at the end of the braided front. If that makes sense. I'm starting to be very obsessed with Bantu knots. Okay, so I'm thinking about ditching the part and doing like a three-piece Bantu knot. So let's see how I wanna. Maybe like that. Okay. And then I think this, I probably need more hair on this side. Yeah, I definitely need more hair on this side. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. Did I put too much now? Okay, I want that though. Okay, so we're going to separate everything. I actually don't need to separate these. I'm just gonna do them. Okay, so I'm gonna take my brush and put some water on it because I don't necessarily want to put any gel or any eco styler. Well, I guess that is gel. I don't want to put any products on my hair just yet, so I'm going to twist it. I love Bantu knots, y'all. Love them. Leave a little bit out at the end so it can really grip. I'm probably like, how in the heck you get these small little Bantu knots when you just had that big hair? Mind your business, okay? Versatile queen. I can make my hair shrink. Okay, that's one. This is 2. Remember, leave some out at the end so it can grip. The only reason why I said y'all probably wondering why like I went from big hair to little is because I'm wondering that. Like, how you just show us a tutorial with your hair just out like that, you know what I'm saying? And they're gonna come back with like little bitty mosquito bites. That's the thing too. Getting them even is hard, so I'm definitely gonna try to get them more even once I do the middle. I feel like that would be a better gauge. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, now I'm taking my brush. Not want to do that. Oh my gee. Taking my brush and going around and around and around. I'm really thinking this might be cute. We are definitely improvising because I did not think this through, but I think I'm feeling it. Okay. And I'm gonna redo these two because I actually like the middle more now. And now for the review. Yeah, I don't know. Bantu knots just give it a little extra little. And it's my natural hair, so I don't even have to put no extra hair in it. But yeah, this is what, style number 3 with the same foundation. If you are confused on what I mean by the same foundation, definitely check out my previous videos. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we are posting all month long. All month long. All month long. I just like that. See you guys later.